you're at the right place. All you need to do is open up Chrome browser. Yes, open up Chrome browser. Why is it taking so long? Right. Just open up Chrome browser. Go to the Google search box. Search for Amazon Flash Sale Tricks extension. Go to Amazon Flash Sale Tricks Chrome web browser store, Chrome web store. Add this extension to your browser from here. I've already added this extension inside over here. And after that, all you need to do is click on this extension. Choose Redmi Note 3. This is for all colors. And start and click on the start button just 2 minutes before the sale starts. That is on 16th March 1:58 p.m. But only con with this process is that it will redirect you to the Redmi Note 3 version, which would be available according to the speed of your internet. It's not There is no surety that you would be getting Redmi Note 3 3GB version gold variant or anything like that. It will add to the cart whichever one is available. So all you need to do is click the start button just 2 minutes before the sale starts. This is the first method. The second method being, go to the search box, search for Flash Sale Tricks extension. Flash Sale Tricks Chrome Web Store. Add this extension to your browser, Chrome browser, and it would be like this. Go to Mi Store for this and click on Redmi Note 3. Here you can choose the variant. See, you can choose the 2GB variant or the 3GB variant as per your liking. Now all you gotta do is click the choose button, and you gotta do the same for this. Make sure that you're registered on mi.com as well as Amazon. For registering, you need to register now. Click on register now and register for the sale. I've already registered for the sale, but I've not done the login into Mi account. That's why it's asking for the register, and that's how you can buy it. It'll automatically add Redmi Note 3 to your cart. For me, if you're specific of buying 3GB or 2GB variant, use this method. Go to mi.com through Flash Sale Tricks and choose the variant of your demand, of your desire. That's it for the video, guys. Hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Hope you all, through this trick, would be able to buy Xiaomi Redmi Note 3. Thank you. Thanks very much.